Hey, it's Blind Me Handyman. So I'm just going to show you I'm setting up here to use my drill press. And I'm not sure if people know this about the drill press, but when I'm using the drill press, and sometimes the handles get in the way. I just noticed a few people remarked a couple times when they've been around working with me. And it's like, okay, so I'm going to drill this here. But my handle's going to hit my table. So you just unscrew your handle. Don't worry about it. It's all good to go. These are just like that. And drilling multiple holes, I prefer to use a drill press because it's the drilling machine. That's what it does. It does very well. Little slots there. Set her up. Okay, we got a good position there. We're gonna lock her down. One here. Oop. I'll be in the middle of that slot. We got another set here so to keep the table from spinning. So yeah, I could have punched these through with a drill, but let's just use the drilling machine. It's called a drill press. All right, let's give her. There you go. Show what I mean. Oops, did I do that? Didn't work good for me there. Let's try another one. There we go. That was just a bad boo-boo. I want to drill it a bit low. Let's get the swing of using it again. Be careful too, like that can spin around and cut your fingers and stuff. Just letting you know. Fucking gloves. Hate that about gloves too. Jeez, see that? I think the glove tore. Caught my rubber gloves, little bugger. Yeah. I don't usually use rubber gloves with my lathe unless they're really thin ones, not these thicker ones, because of that shit. If that was my lathe, it could have sucked me right in. The drill press it broke the rubber. There we go. I don't wear like cloth gloves, stuff like that, using it on a lathe. No, I don't like using them. Spinning. You just gotta know when to let go too. One thing I don't like about this drill press is the start and stop button. It's so hard to press. So if you take your time and go through, it shouldn't jerk. Cool. First one, I think I tried to punch it too quick. I'm using the drill press to hold it there and hold firm. Go down slowly. There we go. Boom. Really grabby. Hope you're having a nice day. Getting your projects done if you're a homeowner. Always work to do. I like doing my work a little custom. Put a little bit extra time into it. My buddy tells me, stop making love to all your work. I'm just a natural love-making machine. I love everything I do. Well, mostly. Or you can be good at what you do because you like it. Love seeing things being built. And being a part of it. Changed a lot since I've been blind. I don't do any big projects anymore but my own. I mean, big projects I like is like, factories. I like working on that kind of stuff. Look at some of the new lathe and milling machines and stuff like that are out there. Computer program stuff. Wow, it sounds so amazing. There's probably machines out there that could do all this for me. I'll probably have to spend a week programming. Only a matter of time though. The machines will have references where it did something the same before. And after it's done it once and done it right. As long as it's X, Y, and Z, the numbers are good, they can stay on track, it should be able to build anything. Three-dimensional. Can't wait to get this stone done. Move on to something different. I like the stone, but all this little nit partying around. It's hard on the fingers too. If I wasn't wearing gloves, it's easier for me to do the fine detail stuff with the gloves. Now after I get all this made, it'll only take like a minute to put this in. It took me 4 hours to make it. Maybe more than 4 hours. I got a few extra things made, but I just didn't want to have to go back and mess around with it again just in case. There's extra stone. There's going to be extra clips. It's also in the backyard, so it's like a big old walk for me. I even broke out the wagon. A team of horses. With the horses. I made extra for also this reason. Finding that if I drop it, there's one. I have a mess over here. Finding the other one. Look, I found two. All right. Well, I guess I dropped more than two. This is about three. I want to see the one that I started drilling. That's the drill press in action. Look at here. Look at you. Not important. I made spares. Alright, that's drill pressing. Take care and thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Oh yeah, I learned something now. I forgot to put my handle back. Don't forget to put your handle back if you gotta take it out. So never tighten these in too tight. Always leave them just fingers, you know, you're always tightening up a little bit and stuff, but so if you put them in there too tight, then you run into this problem where your handle's in the way. And you can't screw it back in. So you're always, the drill press, you're always just snugging them up because they're in the way. Okay, oops, sorry for that. All right, see, I put her back. Take care.